What is the domain and range of the absolute value function f of x equals the absolute value of x? We see in the absolute value function that we can plug in all real numbers. There's no restriction on x. So the domain of the absolute value function is all real numbers. In other words, the domain goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. Let's visualize that with the graph of the absolute value function. This line and this line goes on and on forever. Which means that every x without restriction has a partner y. For example, this x has this partner y, 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 and so on. We can do that for all x and get the corresponding y. In other words, we can plug in all x, which means the domain includes all x's of the real numbers. What about the range? No matter what real number we plug in for x, we either get 0 as an output or a positive real number, because the absolute value of a real number is 0 or positive, but never negative. The bracket indicates that 0 is included in the range. We can also say the absolute value is defined as the distance from 0, so the output can only be greater than or equal to 0. Let's look at the graph to visualize that. The points on the graph in the first quadrant have positive x coordinates and positive y coordinates. The points on the graph in the second quadrant have negative x coordinates and also positive y coordinates. And the point in the origin has the coordinates 0, 0. In other words, we get 0 and positive y coordinates, but never negative y coordinates. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.